Okay, wheel accessible doorways for independence. Hallelujah. We do door modifications to help create an accessible, barrier-free existence. Well, folks, let's dive right in. First, the main thing that we get into is dealing with, let's say that there's a 30-inch door, and you need to make it at least 32. Most of the time, we convert it to a 36-inch door. And you can see Jose here takes off the casing, takes off the jamb, removes any stud that's needed, and then recreates the doorway to be larger. He'll go ahead and he'll frame in the door, which allows for shimming it, getting everything in place to make it nice and level. And then we hang the new door. Now, what's occurred during the course of all this is that we've had to remove some of the wall, obviously. Some of the flooring has to be done. So it's not just a complete simple operation. Once we remove everything, we have to go back and replace it and make it look nice. So what we do is we'll repair the floor to match as closely as possible. We'll go ahead and repair the walls, which are, most of the time you can get away with that without too much modification, but sometimes you just have to. So we'll take care of the walls and we'll paint it both inside and out as far as the walls go. Now the door itself, once that's installed, we'll go ahead and paint the door. We'll caulk all the right areas that we need to and paint like we did the walls, same idea. And you can see here, there's many styles of pre-hung doors. And depending on what that particular customer may want or what you may want, you go ahead and install a door that makes sense for that opening, minimum 32. Now, sometimes, and I do this wherever possible, we'll create an opening, as you see here, that's a 36-inch opening. And we'll frame that door in. We'll put the casing on, we'll dress it up, make it look nice. And then there won't be a swing door per se, but there will be a barn door that we've installed that literally closes, as you see here. It'll cover the opening. And that's real nice because it's easy to slide. It's somebody that maybe has a little bit difficulty with their mobility, to be able to slide that door easily is very important, and certainly we can. And then if you look over here, there's different styles of doors, and we have quite a few for you to choose from. So we enlarge the opening, and then we cover it with beauty, the barn doors being the beauty. Now, sometimes the door itself, as you see here, can be enlarged without having to go through all of the gutting of all the removing of everything that's involved to create a larger opening. If the door itself can be opened to making it a 32 or larger, that's so much easier. You use the offset hinges. Now, these offset hinges are really cool because what happens is it allows you to be able to get a clear opening. You can see offset hinges can allow for an additional 2 inches to widen the door. So if you had a 30-inch door, all of a sudden now you'd have a 32-inch door, and it can prevent a bunch of work. Sometimes it's so important. Plus, it's fast. You get it done very quickly. Now, once we put the door on, I want to know that I'm going to put on a lever handle door. Now, if you take a round or a tulip handles, like what you're seeing here, they just cannot be opened properly with a person that has a hand handicap, that has mobility issues, that just can't turn that knob. So the lever handles work wonders. Easily, you don't have to be able to grip it. You can press it down and it opens, or you press it up to close it. There's a lot of different ways to do this. And you can see there's many different styles of lever handles. We've provided you with a bunch of those styles too to take a look at. So I want you to take a look when you can. But the main thing is for you to know that lever handles are essential for being able to open a door easily without having to try to twist something. It makes it just a nightmare. So who we are is Accessible Barrier-Free Homes. Our mission is to create accessibility awareness for all of our disabled seniors and mobility challenged friends. If you feel you received value from this video and want to help us spread the word, please like us and subscribe. I would love for you to. And check out our links in the description. Read it, take a look at what we got, and check out all the various aspects, whether it's a website or a product that may apply for you. We would love for you to do that. So anyways, thanks for watching and join us. We need your help. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.